Recently, we haven't looked at a potent Android tablet. Actually, the flagship tablets from last year caught us off guard because to their updated OS, improved performance from the Snapdragon 870 CPU, and a respectable display. The Lenovo Tab P11 Pro, also known as the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021, pleased me the most because of its affordable price and 90Hz OLED display. In fact, it's encouraging to see that the company continued and recently unveiled the Legion Y700 gaming tablet. Let me just say this before I have started with the review. It's the greatest gadget with full tablet features for mobile gaming. In the gaming industry, the gaming-focused Legion lineup is well liked. The Y700 is the first tablet in the series with a gaming-centric appearance. The Y700 appears to be just as little as an Android tablet at first sight. Additionally, it is most likely the first Android tablet with an 8.8-inch screen, which is comparable to the most recent iPad mini. The Y700 doesn't actually decrease the display configurations, even with its smaller body. A 2K level LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 500 nits, supports Dolby Vision and HDR content. The 8.8-inch body size of the Y700 makes the display accuracy much more comparable to a mobile phone. When used actually, it provides a good visual experience, especially when reading or watching the web. Either the bright mode, which covers a wide P3 gamut, or the standard mode, which has higher color accuracy, are options for color mode. Even though the display is compatible with HDR and Dolby Vision, it only has a 1000 by 1 color contrast, because it is an LCD panel. So I still advise choosing the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021 if you're considering getting a tablet for watching plenty of videos. Still, the OLED display excels at producing a richer, more realistic contrast. However, hold off on making a choice just yet, because we haven't even discussed the Y700 tablet's main strengths, which provides a significantly different user experience from those larger tablets. Additionally, it is far more portable than those 10 or 11-inch devices, so you won't always consider bringing a bulky bag for it. More importantly, the Y700 weighs only 375 grams, making it possible to hold it for extended periods of time without getting fatigued. The Y700's body isn't made of a single piece of metal, though. The back cover of the Y700 has been swapped out for a glass panel with a matte finish. Still attractive, but raising questions about the tablet's cooling system and performance techniques. The answer will be displayed for you throughout the gaming test. Along with a respectable display, the Y700 tablet also has two JBL speakers that produce an excellent stereo sound, particularly when playing Dolby Atmos audio. It's even decent enough to play FPS games like PUBG, which demand powerful stereo sounds, without earbuds. Legion uses the gaming software from their gaming phones, which has obviously been well optimized for the tablet, to enhance the gaming experience on the Y700. For instance, we can now access all the gaming settings using the Legion Real app. Additionally, you may check the phone's running status and the personalized shortcuts while gaming, by pulling down the game assistant from the top of the display. And based on your demands, you can change the performance mode from balance to power saving or performance. However, aside from the hardware, the Y700 lacks the majority of the features found on Legion phones, including neither the cooling fans nor the shoulder buttons. However, the 2x-axis linear vibration motors and enhanced cooling system are still included with the Y700. Although typing does benefit from the strong haptic feedback, there are currently only a few uses for the robust motors. We only found 3 titles on the supported list, despite the Legion having developed a feature dubbed semi-real vibration for an immersive gaming experience. The Y700 also has a 3.5mm headphone jack and microSD card expansion, which is further excellent news. Surprisingly, it enables expandable storage of up to 1TB. The fully functional USB Type-C port offers smooth projection as a video out port, in addition to up to 45 watts of quick charging. The generally praised Snapdragon 870 chipset drives the Legion Y700 tablet. There is a higher configuration device with 12 and 256 GB storage, in addition to the 8 and 128 GB model I am holding. Regarding its performance, our biggest worries are its longevity and the consistency of its high-performance outputs. As you can see, the peak performance we attained in the 3 benchmarks is rather comparable to that of other Snapdragon 870 models. Then we put it through 3D Mark's wildlife high-stress test. During the 20-round test, the steadiness of the Y700 was 99.4%. Additionally, the surface temperature stayed below 43 degrees Celsius, which makes us even more excited about its stability for gaming. It runs incredibly smoothly in PUBG. The performance outcome is also at the highest possible level for the game. I can claim that the Y700 tablet is the greatest one for gaming after using it for a few hours. For me, it struck a good balance between the larger display and the appropriate holding. The Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021 would be perfect for watching movies or videos, but I simply can't stand the strain of holding it for extended gaming sessions. The Y700 tablet also received one of the top scores out of all the Android models in a different game called Genshin Impact. It can maintain a frame rate of 59.1 FPS with only small fluctuations, and it can run steadily at 58 to 60 FPS. The Y700 tablet's performance did not deteriorate during the 30-minute test, and the surface temperature was kept below 43.8 degrees Celsius. Also keep in mind that Genshin Impact is one of the heavier Android games, indicating that the Y700 can currently run most games at high performance, without experiencing significant heating problems. But even so, we're not content. We are not yet aware of its performance limit. We therefore began a new test, in which Nemean Legends is played at a 2K resolution. The Snapdragon 870 performed as well as it could in this test, and the frame rate eventually stayed at about 36 FPS. We were shocked to find that the temperature control throughout the test had no impact on its performance. Even though the surface temperature reached a high of 47 degrees Celsius at one time, there is no visible performance restriction. The Y700 has a 6550 mAh battery that can support up to 45-watt rapid charging, and is compatible with both PD 3.0 and QC 4.0. I also need to show you the 50-watt charger that is provided. Dual charging ports are available. The Type-C port can provide charging efficiency of up to 50 watt, whereas the second one can only provide 20 watt, making it compatible with a wider range of devices. Manufacturers are rarely this kind, as we all know. Resuming the charging test. The tablet took about 57 minutes to fully charge after charging to 40% in 15 minutes and 80% in 30. It is still surprisingly quick for a tablet. The Y700 also offers a battery protection mode that allows power to be sent directly to the tablet rather than the battery. This mode has the advantage of protecting the battery and lowering the temperature of the tablet as a whole. The Legion Y700 is a fantastic gaming tablet with a display that is larger than a smartphone, far greater sustained performance output, and superb cooling. More importantly, it provides the ideal size for gaming on mobile devices. The tablet also includes the majority of the software capabilities found on other Lenovo tablets, including split-screen mode, floating windows, and even PC mode. You may watch our review video of the Xiaoxin Pad series to learn more about these tablet characteristics. This concludes my discussion of the Y700 tablet, and the result remains the same. Right now, it's the top mobile gaming gadget. The Y700 might be the greatest option if you play a lot of games on your phone, but are never truly happy. It won't let you down with such aggressive pricing. Thank you for watching this video, have a nice day and see you soon.